Hello, my name is Manula Cooray, and for this assignment, I have implemented grayscale image conversion using four different computation models such as Serial, OpenMP, MPI, and CUDA. In this video, I will demonstrate how each version works. So, I have used a 4K high resolution image, and for this to make an easy one, I'm always turning my JPG image to PGM, and then after the conversion I'm converting PGM to PNG format. So let's run the serial part first. Next we'll run the OpenMP. When we open next run the MPI. MPI image conversion also can be seen. Running my Git, prepares Google Colab or running CUDA. Next, uploading my image. This is to convert my JPG to PPM. It has converted. Next, run the CUDA code. A grayscale conversion has